Chancellor is not going to go off. Oh, it did go off.
Special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the one belonging feature will vary with distance from the transmitter.
The NG545 is off the air, so I'm not going to be able to get that.
But may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the winter. In that case, the test will be...
Oh, nice! The NG546.
We now return to our regular programming.
Oh my god. Oh wait, Channel 3 was on that one. I almost missed Channel 5. Golly. It would have been embarrassing.
Light and variable winds becoming close to around 10 miles an hour this afternoon. Tonight,
That one's off.
then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 30s. Southeast winds around 10 miles an hour.
That one, 1050'd. Oh, sorry if I had it out of focus the whole video. Dang. Again, the NG545 is off the air, so that's really unfortunate. Actually, I thought it was back already until I just looked at it like minutes prior. There, now it's in focus. If you have model cars and you're a weather enthusiast, always put at least 1, 2 in between your set of model cars.